So next, I told about the secondary treatments. So in this secondary treatments, uh, the whatever the treatment that will be carried away. So after the primary treatment, the secondary treatment process will be carried away. So in this, the first we will go on the filters. So these filters are the it will be installed at intermittent sand filters. Okay, sand filters will be there. So as well as the trickling filters will also be there. In the case of the filters, this intermittent sand filters, intermittent means in middle. Okay, so in middle, so whatever the intermittent filters will be there, that will be used for the treatment of the wastewater, by that will be attaching with the microorganism to the filters. Whatever the filter medium will be there, that will be attached with the microorganism. So and the treated wastewater is being collected in the under drains at the bottom of the sand filters. So and it has been very transportation. It has been transportation in a line for any further treatment or any that will be disposed. For the disposing cases, it will be carried away. So in this trekking filters are being used to remove the organic matter, where the organic matter from the wastewater. So these trickling filters is an aerobic treatment that system, so that will be utilized for microorganism which has been attached to the medium to remove the organic matter from the wastewater. So the erosion tanks, next is the erosion tanks. These erosion tanks, the whatever the wastewater is there, so that is mixed with the microbes in erosion tanks, or oxygen is supplied. Microbes which has been consumed the supplied oxygen and decomposed, and it will decompose as the organic matter there, which is being presented in the wastewater. Thus water, it will be clean now. Now after this erosion, next you will go for the oxidation ponds. So what is this oxidation ponds? So that is also this oxidation, it is also called as stabilization ponds or lagoons. Okay, so these oxidation ponds that will be stabilized. So where the within the oxidation pond, so heterogenic bacteria will be presented. So this with this heterogenic bacteria will do is that it will degrade the organic matter, so that will be presented in the sewage water, or the wastewater. So that will be resulted in the production of the whatever the cellular materials or the minerals. So finally this production of this of the sludge or the growth, that will also be, it will be settled, it will be settled as the sludge at the bottom. And apart from that, it will also support the production of the algae in the oxidation ponds. So next we'll go for the aerated. Next we'll go for the aerated lagoons. So what does this aerated lagoons will do? So this aerated lagoons are the aerated basins which holding which holds the and holding and the treatment plants that will be provided with an artificial erosions that will be started to promote the biological decomposition of the wastewater. Next, after that you will see the anaerobic lagoons. So lagoons is nothing like, it is a structure like this. So open, if it is open, it is an aerobic. If it is not open, it is an anaerobic lagoon. So it is utterly like a open tanks, or closed tanks. So these lagoons, uh, in the aerated lagoons, it will be aerated basins is been holding on the treatment ponds, which has been provided with an artificial erosions. So that will be promoting the biological decomposition of the wastewater. So this treatment process in which the organic, whatever the organic matter, so is been decomposed an anaerobic bacteria which will be formed. So that anaerobic bacteria will start to decompose it. So that is called as anaerobic decomposition. So unit of which is called, which used in this treatment process. So that are the anaerobic lagoons, septic tanks, hemorrhage tanks. So what is this anaerobic lagoons are? This is are called as the manure lagoon, which is a man-made earthen basin. So inside the earth, so that will be filled with an whatever the animal waste that will undergoes the anaerobic decomposition, and it will convert it into an excellent manure. Especially this type will be carried away in the rural area. So next is septic tank. Septic tanks where in the septic tanks, these are the very watertight, like a box, watertight container. It will be like a watertight container or a watertight box which is been made up of the concrete, or the fiberglass or any separate solids, liquid or the settling process. So next is hemorrhage tanks. This type of tanks are been very used for the reception and the process of the sewage, which is been achieved by the sedimentation along with the anaerobic sludge decomposition. So whatever this effluent came from the secondary biological treatment, which is usually contains by the BOD of 5 to 10% of the which is virginal. So next, the final primary, it's preliminary, primary, secondary is over. Now next we'll see about the final or advanced treatment process or the tertiary treatment process. We'll see in the next video.